guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to be here. I filmed this look today. This started out being a sunset eye and then it graduated to this. I have like glitter flecks in my brows. So yeah, I had so much fun filming this for you guys. I hope you guys learned something new, or you just want to like come and like cringe and be like, oh my god, this girl does not know how to do makeup. That's okay too. Like, I'm learning. I want you guys to come along with me on my journey. And I really would love for you to subscribe to my channel, like hit that bell, hit notifications to all. I'm a new creator. I always look for new faces on YouTube just to follow someone's like new journey, and maybe I can be that person for you. It's my first ever video, so don't like judge too hard. Like, I know that you guys are like, wow, she's not Desi Parkins or anything. It's like so perfect. Like, I don't think I'll ever get to that level, but we're gonna try. So thank you so much for clicking my video and hope that you guys will like this tutorial. Peace out! Alright, so I have a little bit of a base on. Just like a little base because this is a sunset eye tutorial. It's not a whole face tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Natasha Denona mini sunset palette, and I'm going to take a nice fluffy Sonia Kashuk blending brush. This is like my favorite like in the crease brush because it just like gives me a nice wash of color. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Guava. Gonna do a couple dips, and this palette is so good. Like, I love it so much. And then we're just gonna go right in into the crease. First, we're just dotting the product, and then we're just gonna go into windshield wiper motions to just kind of create a nice wash of the color. And we're holding our brush like pretty far down on the handle so that we can get like this part of the brush to like move around freely. Is that a word? Woo! I'm getting like hot already. These lights are like pretty freaking hot. And just be like really light on your eye. You don't want to be pressing and pulling the skin around too much. Alright, so I guess I should just like keep talking to you guys. This is like my third time trying to film. This is my third time trying to film something. And you would think that just doing your makeup on camera is just so simple. And YouTubers make it look so easy, but it's really hard. It's really difficult. Like, my first look, I got so nervous that the only thing I used were shimmer shades. And I never make that mistake, but I was using shimmer shades in the crease, shimmer shades on the lid, shimmer shades in my halo like eye. It was like, and the colors were really bad too, so I was just like, at one point in the video, I was just like sitting there, I was like, I just can't post this. This is just embarrassing. That's good enough. So I'm gonna switch my brush out. This is actually my Wet n Wild crease brush. I love this brush. Like, I bought it this year. It has like a perfect like little rook in it, little nook to put your finger. Now I'm gonna go into the middle shade right here. This is called Dirty Mars. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna concentrate it into the outside V of the eye. So what I mean by the outside V, we're gonna start to put the product into the crease right here and just buff it out. And then we're going to also just like put it right onto the lower lash line. And we're just gonna like go over in those gentle windshield wiper motions again so that the product kind of fades into the other shade that we just laid down. So it's not such a insane transition. We're just deepening up the crease to make it look like we're, I don't know, what's the word? You guys are like, wow, she's the best beauty guru ever. I guess I should probably like talk about why I'm on YouTube right now. Funny thing that you asked. I'm on YouTube because I love makeup and I love YouTube. I am probably subscribed to over like 200 makeup channels, and I love to keep up with them and just like come home from my day and eat a snack, pop on some channels, and like catch up with what they're doing for the day. Whether it's a tutorial, whether it's like an anti-haul, or just like a product review. I think it's just like so fun. I think my favorite YouTubers right now, definitely Tati. I love me some Tati. I wish she uploaded like 7 days a week. I just think that she like works so hard on her channel. And she also like brings like this like nice like even keeledness. Like every time you go to her channel, you know what to expect, you know? You're not gonna be like white knuckled like, oh my god, the whole time. You're just like always dialed in. I love the way that she reviews things. She's one of my favorites for sure. I also like Isla Sarai. I think she's like the most beautiful girl. She's so cute. Karen, I love you. I know you're not watching this. Alright, so this is an MUA Professional Makeup Academy crease brush. And it says like 315 at the bottom. Anyway, so okay, let me just explain this brush. This brush, as you can see, this brush is like it's just like your regular blending brush, but it's just like super thin, and the bristles are like pretty cool. So I guess it's a pretty cool brush. I don't know. I'm gonna go right back into this shade right here. Dust the powder off a little bit, because we're gonna go right into the inner eye, and we're going to make like kind of like a halo eye situation. So our goal is to get this part of the eye as dark as the outer part of the eye. And I recently got this brush at CVS because I saw I saw Samantha Ravindal like have a brush like this, and I was like, oh shit, I don't have a brush like that in my collection at all. I should probably just like straight up copy her because I love Samantha Ravindal and everything she does. I mean, I really love this brush for lower lash line buffing and doing this like kind of inner crease work if I'm doing a halo eye. So I'm just kind of like tucking the pigment into this corner of the eye, not going to the absolute tear duct, but just kind of like putting it in and doing the same kind of motion, just making that like tiny V. Cap it off like right at that crease, making a nice arch. Oh man, I feel like these are hella uneven. I'm trying my best out here. I'm gonna blend that all out with that big fat Sonia Kashuk blending brush. Now that I have my matte shadows down, let's go shimmer. There's nothing that picks up a Natasha Denona shimmer shade better than just your finger, like. There we go. I don't know why this hand went up. I know what I need to do. I'm gonna put on my liner. I'm gonna do my liner. My favorite liner has been the Tarteist Clay Paint Liner. Now that I've drawn on the jankest wings of all time, yeah, it just sends my fear. I don't know what happened there. I promise I can like draw a better wing than this. Anyway, so from here, I'm taking the NYX Brights Ultimate Palette. Mine is just like really broken. This is what happens with my drugstore products. I'm gonna take that that MUA Professional 315 brush and swirl that color around. And I'm going to just like deepen it up a little bit more. And we're just like staying right into the crease, like we're staying right here. And just making that super, super deep. Y'all, you can't even see what I'm doing. I'm so sorry. I just don't know what angles to use, who I am. Like, why am I putting NYX over Natasha Denona? That's like where I'm at right now. I swear, it's like, this is like the most neutral eye up top. And yeah, I am messing up the wing. Okay, I am messing up the wing. I'm putting a lot of purple in the wing. But I was planning on going back and fixing that up. I swear, I hope that this like comes together because this is I think this is the farthest I've ever gone, like doing a look. I think that this might be the video that I get to post. This might be my first video. And I'm sorry if it's like shitty, but that's just where I'm at in life. Like, Everyone has to start somewhere. Like, you know what I was doing? I was going through all my favorite YouTubers and I was like looking at their first video, like to just go back just to see where they started. And some people were like really cute and it was like really awkward and they were like really bad. But some people were like perfectly fine. Like, I love Sarai. She like, her first video was like, oh, so you were always that good. Okay, then I'm just total shit. All right, so I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner. And this is, of course, Midnight Cowboy. This is the gold one. My brush, my brush is a little dilapidated. We work with what we have. We've got like the most jankiest brush ever. Alright, so I'm going to concentrate that right on the center. I just can't with this brush, it's so dilapidated. Alright, before that glitter glue dries, I'm going to take the NYX glitter. I'm going to try not to raise my lids, but it's like this product right here. It's in the shade Lumi Light, and this glitter is like really interesting. It's like white glitter, but the shines are like greens and oranges. So I'm kind of like into it. Packing it right over where we put Midnight Cowboy. We love glitter in this household. I went from like a halo eye to just like a total glitter cut crease. And of course, like with my hooded eyes, it doesn't look like it did anything. Okay, so let's concentrate on the lower lid. So I'm gonna start with this NYX eye pencil in the shade Aqua Shimmer. This is what it looks like, and this is actually what it looks like right here. I'm going to concentrate that right onto the lower lid. You guys, this product is so drying. I'm putting that right into the waterline. We just want to like make it a little bit more tapered as we're going into the center. Oh my god, you guys, my under eyes are so dry. I just need my hyaluronic acid to freaking kick in. Okay, I'm gonna go back into that NYX Ultimate Brights palette. I'm going to grab, this is like a concealer brush. I'm gonna go right into that like blue shade. Like this is, I honestly think that this is one of the best shades in this palette. Love this shade so much. And I'm going to go right over that shade and just kind of like buff it out a little bit. This is where we're at right now. My concern with this look is that my under eyes there's nothing that matches my under eyes to the upper eye, and I know that this is a sunset eye, but we need to marry something together. So I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible Paints marker. I'm just going to go for it. You guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't. I'm sorry. I don't know how to explain this step. I guess I'm just putting this into the crease. I'm just so weirded out. Like, why did I choose to do that? I don't know. Sometimes the artist just takes over, like I said. Okay, so I'm gonna go right over and fix up any kind of like lines that aren't jet black on my liner. Alright, so I fixed up my liner a little bit off camera. Go in with that 1 or 2 brush again. I'm just gonna like super buff out that lower lash lid. Okay, so I'm going to take that and I'm gonna put it over that blue shade. Ooh yeah, let's take that blue and just like buff it into the crease. Be careful not to pull that blue below the line. We're just trying to diffuse it into the crease. What a weird look. Alright, you know what I think I need? I think I need to do my lashes. And once I do my lashes, I'm gonna be satisfied with this look. Alright, sorry about that. I was freaking out about how much I looked like my La Croix can that my camera just shut off. This is a Lash Paradise on the top, and then I'm doing a blue Voluminous Original mascara for the bottom. I just think using blue mascara on your bottom lashes is like a really fun way to like zhuzh up your look. If you are bored of like your neutral glam and you just want to like shake the table a little bit, if you want to shake the table, why don't you get some freaking blue mascara on those bottom lashes? Yeah, I'm really like laughing at how much I look like this La Croix can right now. You know, the subconscious is a powerful thing. I was subconsciously like super dialed into that La Croix can. No, I didn't even use setting spray. Oh my god, okay. So I just got like a new Urban Decay All-Nighter. I love this stuff. You You know, that's why all my palettes are freaking dusty and musty because I freaking put setting spray all over it. All right, I'm gonna go into my Ardell 817s. I trim these down because like I really don't want lashes in this area. My eyes only look good if there's lashes like on the outer edge. So that's where I'm at in life. I am aware of the limitations that I have. So I use the Duo, the green Duo, the brush on Duo, because I love it. But the thing with black Duo, okay, yeah, it does dry black. Okay, I'll give it that. That's great. I wear black eyeliner. But if you like put it on and you like look up and it's wet, you're gonna get like black Duo in your perfectly blended freaking eyeshadow, and it's just gonna not be a fun circus for anyone. Alright, so now that there's like Duo on the band of the lash, I'll go like that. Just to like make that band a little bit more of a C shape. Maybe I should use tweezers, but I've just never been a tweezer girl. I wonder if this is gonna be the tutorial that will like make my YouTube channel. I know like how shitty this is and like how bad it is, but I mean, I just like love watching tutorials. It's a weird thing because like YouTubers like, oh, I know no one loves tutorials anymore. I'm like, bitch, who? I love tutorials. I'm like that girl who like I can always use another trick in my arsenal. I feel like you tweezer lash wearers are like, girl, I am so like sick of the way that you are touching that lash. Okay, so I got my lipstick bag right here. My favorite combination lately has been the Milani 77 Matte Tender. They kind of dot it. Okay, and then I'm going to use this CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte in the shade. The shade name is Ballerina, and I know that even though that it wiped off because I love this shade. I'm just gonna focus that right in the center. The time is going by, I'm kind of liking this look a little bit more. Even though it's not like my cup of tea and I don't think it showcases my skills at all. I know it's like a really bad representation of me as a person, but we're just gonna roll with it. Okay, so I'm going in with Luminoso right here with Sonia Kashuk. All my brushes are Sonia Kashuk, okay? Like, leave me alone. I'm gonna just like do this. I like a lot of blush. Let me live my life. Just like dusting that over the cheeks. And yeah, on my nose, okay? Like, wow, I'm not the first person to do this. Don't attack me. Okay, I'm gonna do my hair. I'll be back and I'll show you the finished look. Okay, one sec. Okay, you guys, and that's the finished glam. I know that this started out being like a sunset eye. You know, sometimes the makeup gods like take over and they're like, listen girl, you are made for greatness. You are not made for a boring like sunset eye. Like, bring it to the next level, girl. Like, don't be afraid. I hope that on my channel I cannot be so afraid, because makeup should be fun. Like, let's bring the artistry and creativity into makeup again and create like fun look. I don't know what to call this glam. Thank God that I have this pashmina scarf to like tie it all together. I had so much fun, you guys. I really did. I can't wait to film another tutorial for you. I already have like a look in mind that I want to do, so hope you can subscribe to my channel so you don't forget about me. I want to get personally, but like I will. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at bunnyandfawn and Twitter. But yeah, so I guess I'll see you in the next one. Alright, bye guys. This is so awkward.